Lifting ice with salt, the science of freezing point depression. Objective: to demonstrate how adding salt lowers the freezing point of water and allows ice to bind temporarily to a string, enabling us to lift it, showcasing the principle of freezing point depression. Materials needed: a glass or bowl of water, 3 to 4 ice cubes, table salt, sodium chloride, a piece of string 10 to 15 centimeters long, a spoon. Timer or stopwatch, optional. Step-by-step procedure. 1. Fill the glass. Fill a clear glass or bowl about 3/4 full with clean tap water. 2. Add ice cubes. Gently place 3-4 ice cubes into the water and let them float. Wait for a minute so the water and ice reach a stable cold temperature. 3. Lay the string. Carefully place the string across the top of the ice cubes, ensuring it touches at least 2 of them. 4. Add salt. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of salt directly on top of the string and the parts of the ice cubes it touches. 5. Wait and watch. Wait for 60-90 seconds. During this time, observe any changes happening around the string and the ice. 6. Lift the string. After waiting, gently lift the string by its ends. If the experiment is successful, the ice cubes will stick to the string and rise with it. Scientific explanation: when salt is added to ice, it causes the ice to melt, but not in the usual way. Salt lowers the freezing point of water. This means the salty ice begins to melt even though the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius. However, the surrounding fresh water is still very cold. As the salt dissolves and spreads, the melted part around the string begins to refreeze because it mixes back with the cold, unsalted water. This creates a thin layer of ice that traps the string onto the cube as it solidifies again. This phenomenon is known as freezing point depression. It is the same principle used when we spread salt on icy roads in winter. It helps melt the ice even at sub-zero temperatures. Expected observations: initially, the string just rests on the ice. After sprinkling salt, some of the ice may begin to melt slightly. After 60-90 seconds, lifting the string should pull the ice cubes up with it. This shows that the string has frozen into the surface of the ice. Conclusion: this simple yet fascinating experiment visually explains how salt affects the freezing point of water. It demonstrates key scientific ideas in thermodynamics and chemistry, like melting, freezing, and how solutes change the behavior of solvents. Not only is this a fun experiment to try at home or in class, but it also connects science to everyday life, like how salt helps manage snowy roads or how antifreeze works in cars. Bonus thought: next time you're walking on a frozen sidewalk in winter, remember, it's not magic that melts the ice, it's science in action.